Hi guys, I'm going to explain in this video uh, how to install OS like Linux and Windows into GNS3 and how to connect those devices to internet. And the final thing is installing iOS and IOU images. I explained in first part how to add the iOS images into the GNS, but I'm going to explain a little bit more how to add IOU images and you are licensing the images and everything in this part. Okay, and the first thing I want to show you where you get these images normally. If you want to go to the marketplace here, you can search whatever the you want devices. So if I want to search in marketplace, click marketplace and search Windows 10 or whatever it is. You see that here is a Windows, you got Windows Marketplace. So you have to download this one. When you click download, you will get, I explained that in second video and first video, you will get GNS3 format icon. When I click save, it will download and save. If you go back and if you search for Ubuntu, you will get Ubuntu also. So Ubuntu Cloud Guest, Ubuntu Desktop Guest, you see all of them is the Dockers and everything. If you click Cloud Desktop Guest, you can download this. If you click the download, you will download that. This is just a appliance template only. It won't get any operating system. You won't get any operating system. Once you download it, you need to come to your GNS and you have to, if it's any device, you have to go here, and if you want any other device, you want to go to switches and routers also. Okay, these are the desktops or iOS devices, the end user devices. So I'm clicking here in my end user devices and I am clicking the new template. So I am adding that template appliance file. This is the format GNS3 extension. So when I click next, it will shows that my download folder where I stored all those things. So if I choose Windows GNS3A, this is appliance file. So it won't contain any operating system, it won't contain any other things. So when I click open, it will tell you install the appliance on your local computer. So what you have to do, click next. Okay, if you are using Windows system, you will see this one, which is your GNS3 VM path, and it shows your virtual VM path is bin QEME at 64-bit. Okay, and you click next. I'm using the Ubuntu here, so maybe you won't see the difference. So here you can see that Windows version 10 with Edge, Windows version 10 with Edge preview, Windows version 8.1, i11. So lots of images you have, but if you want these images files, you do not have on your GNS3 or whatever you on your system. So you need to VMDK file. When I click that one, if you click download, you will redirect to the external website. That is Microsoft external website. Here you will see the VirtualBox file, Vagrant, Hyper-V, or VMDK and Parallels. So I suggest here is a VMDK file. You need to click this file. So when you download this file, it is downloads in zip format. Once it's downloaded, you need to extract. So you will see that VMDK file. So I'm not doing that. I'm just explaining download this, and after download, how to export. Again, I will explain that in next step. Okay. Here you need to download, and once you download that, it will saves in your download. So you need to click import. So if you go to your download folder, you will see that it will download as a zip formats. I downloaded my Ubuntu one, so you won't see is Ubuntu. When you extract it, it will put it into a folder. So you will see that VMDK file. So once you click that open, so it will load into your GNS3. Okay, I'm not doing anything here. I will explain everything what I done for Linux with desktop. So once you open this one, it will import into your GNS3. So it will ask you, okay, this is I'm adding that Linux one to Windows, that's why you're showing error, otherwise you won't show that. So I'm clicking no. So I'm canceling this one. Okay, this is the way. When after that you need to click next. Once you upload it to, it will go into green, so you need to choose this one and click next. Okay, so we will go to step by step in our Linux one now. Okay, I'm going to new template, installing this one Ubuntu. I'm going to select to Ubuntu GUI GNS3A. Open, install the appliance on your local computer. Next, and this one is again choose next, whatever it is. So it says that there is no file available on my GNS3 images folder. So what I'm doing, if you click download, it will go to this is a website osboxes.org. You will get all vmdk and all the files on this, all vmdk files on this website. If you go to ubuntu focal fossa ubuntu on everything, not only ubuntu, you will get all images. If you go to virtualbox images or vmware images, everything you will get on this website. Debian, Send, Fedora, everything, Kali Linux, Backbox, everything, all the website you will get, except uh, some Black Arc or some of the OSS. Okay, if you see that, all the website you will get, all the Ubuntu, all the flavor, Burgi, GNOME, Mate, Ubuntu server also, everything, Zorian, everything, most of the Linux flavors you will get it here. Okay, once you downloaded anything, you have to download the even your Android also or Linux also. If you download it, you will get VDI image. Download that, it will save in your folder in zip format. So here uh, I am adding, instead of Ubuntu, I am adding Mint. I downloaded the Mint XFCE, so I am adding the Linux Mint 90.2 XFCE format. So once you click open, it will say that okay, this is not the Ubuntu, this is different one. So do you want to accept it on risk? Yes, I know that what image I am going to do. So it will upload into GNS3, and it will, after upload, it will create in a green form, green symbol. Then you have to choose that and click next. Once you click next, it will do everything, and it will, I'm canceling this one. What I am doing that I did already, so that's why I'm canceling. So it is uploading. You don't, I will delete that one later. Okay, once you uploaded that, it will save in your all devices location. So what is all devices location, I will show you next. Okay, here is the all devices, where every device will be stored here. Here is the one, but I renamed this one into desktop mint. Normally whatever the appliance file you use, you will get the name here, but I renamed that Linux mint, desktop mint, I renamed that one. Then I just changed end device, I just changed to end device. So normally you can put everything wherever you want, and I just change the icon. If you want to change the icon, you can do whatever icon you want, do the icons here. Okay, that's the way I will download this one. Okay, how would we connect this desktop mint to the internet? So I'm creating the project now, just test one, test desktop. Okay, I'm creating the project here. So I got the desktop here, and I am starting this one now. Okay, once it starts, you can see the console. What console I got it is a mint one. So I am going into the password. You will see that when you downloaded that. Otherwise, there is also, I will show you the where is the password. If you right click on this one, you will see the information about the this one, show node image information. So you will see everything, where is the icon, username, and passwords. Okay, so that's why if you don't see when you're during the download, you will see that one on here also. So I'm using osboxes.org, that is the password. So once this you can check that there is no IP address, is not connected to any internet here in the bottom right hand side. So if you check on the IP address also, you won't see anything is not connected to internet. So we need to connect this one to internet. Okay, so what I will do first, okay, I'm closing this one. We drag the cloud now. So cloud, you can edit this cloud, configure this cloud. What we have to do, so what is that is the cloud will represent whatever, it will represent all the connections which you are going to outside from our GNS3 and if from our machine. Normally our machine, how many NICs will be there. Okay, this is my physical internet connection, this is my Wi-Fi desktop connected, this is our virtual one. Okay, if you see the here show special Ethernet interfaces, if you click this one, you will see extra one, loop back, VirtualBox one, virtual NIC. So I need this one. This is a bridge. Whatever from your VMware workstation, you created the VMware workstation on your machine to create the for GNS3 VM. That's a bridge NIC. Okay. So you need to select the bridge NIC. Will establish the connection from your GNS3 VM to outside world. It will establish the connection. So I'm choosing this bridge NIC. Otherwise you can choose wireless also, but I prefer bridge one. This is directly connected to your Wi-Fi, but I'm not choosing that. I'm using the bridge connection from my appliance, from my GNS3 VM appliance on which were installed on VM, or if you are using Linux, it will be on QEMU emulator. Okay, I'm choosing that one. Okay, now I'm connecting from this one to sorry, this one is not there, so we have to choose this one. I apply. Okay, so now we will connect uh, from this one from here to the our uh, machine. Okay, here to I'm doing here. So we are connected now, and we're going into this console now. We will configure this one static IP address or DHCP. Sometimes it will get DHCP straight away from our home router or whatever it is. We will check sometime. Otherwise, I will start restart network connection. OS boxes.org's password. So systemctl restart network manager. Failed to restart network manager. Sorry, I entered the case sensitive here, capital M. Okay, this is restarted. We will check again IP address. Still I haven't got any IP address. We will see how is that is not working. So something is wrong happened here. We will investigate that one now. Okay, configure. So this is the one it's supposed to come, but it's not. Okay, sorry, I forgot to add this button. Sorry, my mistake. Apply. Okay, cannot verify the already connected. Okay, so what we will do, we will disconnect this connection now first. Okay, delete this connection and again go back, configure. Sorry, we put this one and add this virtual box, add, apply. Okay, then we can connect from here, from VBR0 to Ethernet 01. Okay, then we open this one. Again we will restart our network manager. Okay, we will see. Okay, connection established now. So if I check the IP address, you will see that it got the NATing address from our whatever the VMware. If you are in VMware, you will see this NATing IP address. If you are on Ubuntu or any Linux, you will see these are different from your home address, or it is virtualized or NATed from your host system. Okay, now you are connected to the internet, so you can check that if you connect to any website from here. So this is the way you will connect your inside. You can see that this is Linux home, Linux Mint home page. Then we will go to youtube.com. So you're connected now. So in this way you will connect all your devices to internet using cloud. And if you want to connect your any DNS, if you create any Windows DNS server, if you want to go through the DNS, and everything will go through this way. Okay, in this example I am installing web server, so I'm going to use this web server for my next topology, VLANs topology we will make next video. So I'm going to install apt install Apache 2 in Ubuntu world. Ubuntu or Debian is Apache 2. I'm just installing this one, so you will see that it will updating everything, it will installing the web server. So that's the way we will do this one. Okay, and the next thing I want to show you, if you want to install any iOS or IOU devices. So if you want to install iOS or IOU devices, first you need to download from the Cisco website. You must buy it, otherwise you won't get anything. So I'll explain in the first video. If you log in, you will go into your account and log in there, and buy those $199 for a year. You have the 1 year uh, 1 year authorized to do for 1 year. So you will see that you will layer 3 and layer 2 images you can download, iOS, NXOS, VSV, and you will get lots of support from there also. Linux VM with disk packet generator, and you can download packet tracers and everything. Okay, thus packet tracer is free for every academy one. If you want to learn, if you register with Cisco, you will get that packet tracer for free. But if you want all the other images you need to buy them. Okay, so how you will download, and this one, first when you download these images, you will get a file to generate the key. So you need from your command prompt, you need to go to and run that python file python 3. Normally you use this what is that file will do, it will, if I show here is it's in my desktop, cd desktop cd new ls. Okay, you will see that here is a cisco.py, but actually it's a cisco key gen or cisco key activation file you will get. So you need to run python 3. If I do that, so you will, when you run it, you will get this file license, and it will do that. So what you have to do, it will give the instruction also, add the file to your home directory. This is your home. When you, this symbol, tilde symbol, is a home directory of the user, and is a file is hidden. So you have to create this file using these two lines, license and your host name and this key. And next you need this information and create another file, text document, in your documents. If you go to in your my documents, you will see that cd documents, you will see that my file is sorry, I deleted that file maybe. Okay, you will create that file in a text document, keep that in your documents folder. Once you've done everything, go to preferences and go to your iOS on Unix or like this. So you need to add your license file here. So you need to browse it and you go to your documents folder. You will see that here, and once you open that file, it will import the license file from the text document. So it will import. Then go to IOU devices, or if you have a VMs like iOS or desktop mint and did. So you need to go to IOU devices or iOS routers. Here is iOS router. So new, yeah, I'm using new image. Browse our iOS. New iOS is on my desktop. Sorry, Cisco iOS. So I don't see where is those files. Okay, Here is the one we have to download vios these files, and you need to import those files into here, then click next. Okay, in that way you need to import your iOS, IOU, or whatever the devices you need, layer 2 or layer 3. So once you're done, you can click next, and everything you have to do same way. So here I imported my switches. This is a layer 2 switch, which is I'm going to explain next video using VLANs and VTP, and we will go through the how to configure VTPs, VLANs in Cisco layer 2, and I will explain VTP domains and everything. So that's it for this video. We will going to discuss everything about the VLANs and everything in next video. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe for latest updates and everything. Thank you. Bye.